I can't do anymore, dude. I'm cold, man. It's 10 degrees out here. Look at that, man. What? What's the problem? Here, get me, I'll get you. It's cold out here. It's 8 degrees, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, oh my God. It's windy out here, too.
Oh my goodness. Yo.
This is going to be hard to shovel tomorrow.
Yeah. Probably.
Let's go in the front. Because I can't do no more, dude. It's almost stream. I know, right? That one's got art. I like the bushes. It's got art. Keep going over here. Come on.
Okay, now
Get the whole car.
Shiver.
I mean, get the whole house. Damn. Yep. Get the streets, dude. Get everywhere.